Hey guys, I'd like to personally invite you to join me for an upcoming seminar I'm running. It's going to be the ultimate brain mental behavioral change workshop. If you have certain problems like anxiety, like bad behavioral habits, and let's face it, we all have some degree of anxiety these days with what's going on, and I want to help you make sure you have the skills and the scientific techniques to take control of your brain and begin to make changes in yourself so that way you put yourself in the best position possible to succeed in the new year. And in the seminar, we're going to do two things. Number one, we're going to cover the techniques and formulas that you can use to rewire things like anxiety, like bad memories, like emotional responses, so that way you can start to take control of your brain and physiological state. And then number two, we're going to go in how can you optimize key skills like your focus, your memory, your motivation. So you have this full dynamic spectrum of skills that's going to propel you to success. And in the workshop, it's going to be super practical. I'm going to demonstrate every technique for you. I'm going to explicitly teach you how to perform these skills on yourself, your own brain, on your children, on your clients, and your business. So that way you really have the key skills to help yourself take control of your brain as well as your clients and the people you care about most. So I'd love for you to join me in this upcoming workshop. It's going to be small, it's going to be private, it's going to be a nice intimate environment, and together we're going to help you optimize your brain, take control of your brain, take control of your life, and be the very best you can be.